Hi everybody and welcome back. We got some cool temperatures here in Tennessee. Woke up this morning to a freeze warning and probably tomorrow also. But the temperatures have dropped quite a bit. The colors are beautiful and looking forward to this coming weekend where I'll be in Tellico Plains for the Cherahela Skyway Festival. But today I want to show you a piece I'm really excited about. I have a piece that, to my knowledge, and what has been told, that this piece is well over 40 years old, and it's a piece of mahogany. I was given this piece, and it looked almost like a piece of a mantle of some sort. It was about 14 or 16 inches long and 10 inches wide, so I'm making about a 10-inch. I got a 10-inch by 10-inch square and then rounded it off to make a bowl. We're just gonna make a simple mahogany bowl. I got it on the faceplate. We'll round it up here in just a few minutes. This is a wood that is hard to come by for me, or never really been offered it, so I'm pretty excited about it. So as we get ready to turn, I just want to thank you for stopping by, and if you have the opportunity to subscribe, would love for you to subscribe and click that like button if you like this content. And please feel free to leave comments, suggestions down below, and I try to reply to everything that I can. But anyway, let's get started with this piece of mahogany and see how it comes out. Thanks for watching. we completed it, and I appreciate y'all sticking around this long to watch it. If you got this far, am amazed. This is probably the prettiest wood I've ever turned. I just, how you look at it, it's brown, orange, just depends on how the light hits it. It's extremely dusty, which I wasn't anticipating, but that's the first time I have ever turned it. But I just thought it really came out really pretty. It's just a basic bowl. Yeah, you can see orange coming through there, dark brown, same. But I wanted to keep as much of the mahogany as I could, just because of the nature of the wood. And very little features in this turn, but really, really pretty. And just pleased with the way that it came out. And it's going to make a nice showpiece this coming weekend in Tellico. So anyway, thank you for hanging out this long and watching. Like I say, if you have the opportunity to subscribe, would really love for you to. And also, if you like the content of this video, please give me a thumbs up. Any comments, good, bad, ugly, whatever you want to call it, I'd be glad to take a look at it and respond. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today, and y'all have a great week, and God bless.